Explosions have ripped through a fireworks warehouse in the Armenian capital of Yerevan, killing at least 5 people and injuring dozens more. Video footage from the Somalia market on Sunday showed grey smoke billowing over a building and people scurrying away from the area. Rescue workers sifted through twisted metal and rubble in a search for survivors, as clouds of dust and smoke hung in the air. Bystanders helped victims move to safe areas. The Emergency Situations Ministry said in a statement that preliminary information indicated that 2 large explosions had brought down part of a building housing fireworks, which set off a fire. At least 5 people were killed, and about 40 were hospitalized, it added. The office of Yerevan's mayor said it was unclear how many people remained trapped under the rubble.